From towering peaks and ancient volcanic lands to vibrant cultural experiences and mysterious lochs, Scotland is a land of dramatic beauty and timeless charm. Bordered by England to the southeast, the Atlantic Ocean to the north and west, the North Sea to the northeast, and the Irish Sea to the south, it occupies the northern portion of Great Britain. Famous for its rugged highlands, iconic castles, and legendary lochs like Loch Lomond and Loch Ness, Scotland captivates every traveler with its wild coastlines, misty mountains, and enchanting history. It's a land where myths and landscapes meet, a destination that belongs on every adventurer's bucket list. So join us on a World Travel Picks thrilling journey as we uncover the top 12 most beautiful places to visit in Scotland, beginning with a prehistoric gem at number 12. Number 12. Orkney Islands. Off Scotland's northern coast lies the Orkney Islands, a stunning archipelago of 70 islands, 20 of which are inhabited. This remote and windswept place is home to some of Europe's best-preserved Neolithic sites, older than the Roman Empire, and once part of Norway. The ancient Ring of Brodgar, a stone circle used in ritual ceremonies, is a must-see. Art lovers will appreciate the local galleries and museums that showcase unique Orcadian creativity. Wildlife enthusiasts can spot seals and puffins around the coast. The capital, Kirkwall, is a quaint town that anchors the cultural and historical richness of the islands. Number 11. Isle of Arran. Often described as Scotland in miniature, the Isle of Arran offers a little bit of everything. Rolling moors, jagged mountains, sandy beaches, fishing harbors, historic castles, and even golf courses. All packed into just 166 square miles. Located just off the west coast and only an hour's ferry ride from Glasgow, Arran is an ideal day trip or weekend escape. Public buses conveniently connect its major sites, including Brodick Castle and the Peak of Goatfell, Arran's tallest mountain. Though small, Arran is rich with experiences and truly deserves more than just a day to explore. Number 10. Cairngorms National Park. Nestled in the northeast, Cairngorms National Park is one of Scotland's 2 national parks, and it's colossal. Home to 5 of the country's 6 highest peaks, this rugged highland wilderness features stunning lochs, rivers, native forests, charming villages, farmlands, and distilleries. It's also a haven for wildlife like pine martens, reindeer, wildcats, red deer, golden eagles, and badgers. Whether you're hiking ancient trails, visiting historic fortresses, sipping whiskey, or discovering museums and galleries, the Cairngorms offer something for every kind of traveler. Number 9. Luskentyre Beach. With turquoise waters and fine white sands, Luskentyre Beach on the Isle of Harris looks more like a Caribbean escape than a remote Scottish shoreline. Though the Atlantic waters are too chilly for swimming, the vast stretch of sand and scenic mountain backdrop offer unparalleled opportunities for hiking and photography. A 2.5-mile circular trail winds through nearby dunes, and adventurous cyclists can ride the scenic route connecting the beach to Harris's main road. Nearby villages offer local crafts, including the globally renowned Harris Tweed, hand-woven by islanders, a perfect souvenir. Number 8. Eilean Donan Castle. Perched on its own tiny tidal island where 3 sea lochs meet, Eilean Donan Castle is one of Scotland's most photographed landmarks. Connected to the mainland by a charming stone footbridge and set against the backdrop of the Isle of Skye and the lush forests of Kintail, this 13th century castle was once a stronghold of the Clan Mackenzie. Though destroyed in 1719, it was meticulously rebuilt in the 20th century and stands today as a symbol of Scottish pride and resilience. Number 7. Glasgow. Scotland's largest city, Glasgow, has transformed into a thriving cultural capital. Located on the River Clyde, the city boasts world-class museums, vibrant festivals, and historic architecture. Explore the iconic Glasgow Cathedral, the Glasgow School of Art, and the Riverside Museum, which showcases the city's transport history with vintage trams, steam engines, and even reconstructed 1930s homes. Music is the city's heartbeat, with over 130 live events weekly. With more than 1,500 shops, medieval ruins, and sprawling green parks, Glasgow is a city that never stops inspiring. Number 6. Stirling. Strategically located between Edinburgh and Glasgow, Stirling is the heart of medieval Scotland. Its beautifully preserved old town is filled with cobbled streets and historic buildings. At its center stands Stirling Castle, perched atop a volcanic rock and offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The city is rich in history, from the Battle of Bannockburn to legends of William Wallace. Whether you're sipping coffee in a cozy cafe or wandering through centuries-old sites, Stirling is a perfect blend of past and present. Number 5. Loch Ness. Few places in the world carry the mystery and legend of Loch Ness. Located in the Scottish Highlands near Inverness, this deep, dark freshwater loch stretches over 23 miles and is best known for the legendary Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie. But beyond the myth, Loch Ness is a place of stunning natural beauty. Take a boat tour across the loch, explore the haunting ruins of Urquhart Castle on its western shore, or walk the Loch Ness 360-degree trail for breathtaking views. The surrounding area is rich in forested hills, charming villages, and Highland culture, perfect for those who seek mystery, nature, and history in one place. Number 4. Edinburgh. Scotland's capital city, Edinburgh, is a breathtaking mix of ancient and modern. Dominating the skyline is Edinburgh Castle, perched atop Castle Rock and offering views across the city. Stroll down the cobbled streets of the Royal Mile, where medieval architecture meets vibrant shops, cafes, and buskers. In August, the city transforms into a global stage with the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the world's largest arts festival. Don't miss Arthur's Seat, an extinct volcano offering one of the best panoramic views of the city. Whether it's history, culture, or nightlife, Edinburgh is a city that never stops surprising. Number 3. Glencoe. Arguably one of the most hauntingly beautiful places in all of Scotland, Glencoe is a glacial valley nestled among towering mountains and dramatic ridges in the Western Highlands. This wild and rugged landscape was shaped by ancient volcanic eruptions and the Ice Age, and it's steeped in tragic history, including the infamous massacre of Glencoe in 1692. Today, it's a haven for hikers, climbers, and nature lovers. From the Three Sisters of Glencoe to the winding trails through deep glens, this area offers an otherworldly beauty that has served as the backdrop for countless films, including Skyfall and Harry Potter. Number 2, Isle of Skye. Dreamlike and dramatic, the Isle of Skye is a crown jewel of the Scottish Highlands. Connected to the mainland by bridge, it's famous for its rugged coastline, mystical landscapes, and Gaelic heritage. Wander through the surreal rock formations of the Old Man of Storr, take in the fairy tale ambience of the fairy pools, and witness the raw beauty of Quiraing and Neist Point Lighthouse. The island is also home to Dunvegan Castle, the seat of Clan MacLeod. With its weather-beaten cliffs, waterfalls, and constant interplay of cloud and light, Skye is nothing short of magical. Number 1, Ben Nevis. Standing at 1,345 meters, 4,413 feet, Ben Nevis is the highest mountain in the British Isles and the ultimate destination for adventurers in Scotland. Located near the town of Fort William, this towering giant draws climbers and hikers from around the globe. The mountain track offers a popular route for beginners, while more experienced climbers can take on the Cairngorms Diargarate for a more challenging ascent. From the summit, on a clear day, you can see all the way to Northern Ireland. Whether you're tackling the peak or simply admiring it from the glen below, Ben Nevis is a fitting climax to any Scottish journey. Raw, mighty, and unforgettable. For more travel inspiration and detailed guides, visit worldtravelpics.com. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest for the latest updates. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures around the world. Happy travels!